Hi, this is Jeff from YieldEstimator, and this is a brief tutorial about how to use GoPro. You click on the settings and you change the resolution. It's 4K 60. As you can see, it gives a warning about the lens because you have to use the linear. This is okay, and you have to enable hyperspot to standard. And with hyperspot standard, it comes horizon leveling. It's important for us because it can adjust it very well. Then 4K 60. Check the settings again. This is okay. You can use bitrate standard, shutter auto, ISO, min max. White balance this is okay. Sharpness is medium, color natural, and other shortcuts if you need to. And these are the basic settings to set up. And once you're on the field, you have to check the GPS. When the GPS turns white, you are good to go. Hit record and drive. That's it. See ya.